Check it out, guys. This came in the shop today. Look how clean this thing is. Pretty clean, huh? We just had to put a wire on it, fix the plug. We're going to adjust the idle in the morning. Thought I'd share that with you guys. Little T-Max. Really clean. And then this came in the shop with it. Little four-wheel drive Slash. It's got a problem though. You guys buy these Slashes, these four-wheel drive Slashes. They put this piece of plastic here against a metal bearing and it wears out. So you'll be replacing that. If anybody makes a metal one, let me know.